on the Disney Fantasy, stateroom 6678. This is a Navigator's veranda stateroom, and you'll see why in a moment. But here is our split bathroom, which is standard on Disney ships. And you'll see got lots of room in the closet here. And lots of storage space. Suitcases all fit under the bed. Got some plugs near the bed over there. This stateroom only sleeps 3 because there is no pull down right there. So the couch turns into the second bed for the 3rd person. And here's our television. There is a mini fridge in here. And this is the Navigator's veranda. It's raining out there, so we're not going to go out there, but you can see there's an obstruction right here from the side of the ship. So they call this one a Navigator's veranda, and it costs a little less than a standard veranda. But you can, as you can see, there's still plenty of space to see out. And there we go, on the Fantasy.